Welcome to another Happy Japan USA video. Today we're taking a look at the HCD3 1501. This is our 50 needle heavy duty industrial Japanese embroidery machine. This is by far our strongest model. This also features the jumbo motor. The embroidery field on this machine, the largest hoop size is a 17 by 16 inch hoop. So that means that you could do really large designs for jackets, for hoodies, for many applications. So the large embroidery field. And also on caps, the cap driver, you got 14 inches across, which translates to around 290 degrees. We call it ear-to-ear embroidery when doing caps. Another big advantage on the cap driver for the HCD3 is that you could do up to 3.5 inches height on caps, combined with the 290 degree auto-rotating cap driver. That means you get a lot of real estate for you to do embroidery on caps and also on standard flats. So the machine runs up to 1100 stitches per minute. When doing caps, it runs at up to 1000. The needle bars on this machine, they're stronger needle bars, so that makes it that you get a 5-year warranty just on the sewing head. The machine comes with the classic OS Happy panel, so you get all your functions straight on a single screen. That means you could do all your laser tracing, your color selection, your design selection, combine logos, and many of the more exclusive features, powerful exclusive features like the Safe Stitch and the Happy Next feature. So the biggest thing about this machine is just being able to basically stitch on basically any type of garment and any type of fabric because it is so strong. The machine is covered by a 7-year warranty on the main motors, 5 years on the head, and that means that your machine is fully covered. Remember, you can always offer on-site training when one of our package bundles. That means that you can have a technician at your location training you, setting up the machine for you. And so you can learn the machine properly and just get to know the panel, get to know each one of the features, which makes it a really good investment. You can always learn more about the machine by calling us at 800-675-2704 or send us a form through our website, HappyJapanUSA.com for more information. I'll see you in the next video.